I am loving this hair. Yes. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today is going to be on this hair right here. So if you want to see how I created this hair, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to section off my hair. What I noticed with this hairstyle is that the smaller pieces you take, if you have thick hair like mine, the better comes out. But if you have thinner hair, then you can take bigger pieces. So just keep that in mind. So basically, all I'm going to be using is a comb and some heat protectant, probably some hairspray at the end, and this clip that I'm using to hold up the hair that I'm not going to be curling at this time. And of course I'm going to be using my T3 curling wand with the one inch attachment. So before I get started, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my hair. And so this is the Kenra hot spray. It's a firm hold heat protection spray. So you can spray it before and after. So it doubles as a hairspray and a heat protectant, and it's going to hold your curls much better. All right, so I'm just going to take this about a 1 inch section and going to wrap it like this, so leaving that much at the top and then at the bottom. And usually I hold mine for 3 seconds, and I have the heat all the way up, so yeah. So you can actually adjust this where it can only go 4 or 3, but because my hair is thick, I put this baby all the way up, and it just seems to work good for me. So that's what you're gonna do. Just the whole back of the hair, you're just gonna repeat it and see how I'm not letting the hair twist and then put it on the tool. I'm actually laying the hair flat, because then you're getting the hair actually on the wand. You're getting most of your hair on the wand, and so then you're getting some good heat. You could just like allow your hair to to just kind of twist like that. You could, if you wanted to, and especially if you had thinner hair. But for me in this tutorial, see how it looks different than the other one. So I like my curls a little bit tighter. So I like to lay the hair flat on the wand, and then your hair stays longer. See how that came out better? All right, and just keep working. Alright, so when I come to the other side, I'm still going to do the same thing, only I'm holding the wand the other way, so I'm curling it back versus this side where I'm curling it that way. So I just do the opposite. Right now I'm not doing any back and forth. Every curl just goes the same way. And then I'm going to spray some more of the Kenra heat protectant because it also works as a hairspray. Make sure those curls are set in. And then you're going to take your next layer down, and remember this is going to take a little bit longer because you're taking smaller sections, but you get a better outcome with the hairstyle than if you're just taking these big sections. It's not going to last as long, and it's not going to look as good, I don't think, but I mean, you definitely can. So we're just gonna spray this again. And so we're gonna take the small pieces and your irons up. So you see I'm leaving out quite a bit of hair. I don't go all the way to the root of the hair because I want the curls to kind of sit in the middle and then lower to the end shaft of your hair. So just see how it's going flat and how much I'm leaving out, and only about 3 or 4 seconds because I don't want to burn my hair off. And voila, so your cute hairstyle is in progress. Okay, so we're almost to the very top. We have this layer here and then the top layer. So this is where we can start. If we wanted to do the back and forth, we could. So when you get more towards the top, that's when you're gonna start kind of looking at like where the curls are being placed. So keep in mind that there's going to be a top layer over this. So I'll just curl this one the other way and see, still leaving lots of hair out by the root and at the tip, and that helps save the ends of your hair, which is definitely the most damaged for me. So like I said, this takes some time if you're taking small pieces, but definitely if you have thinner hair, it shouldn't take you as long. I think the back's a little tough, so I like to give my back a little bit of volume. So what I do is I just take the wand and I hold it straight, and then I push my hair over, give it a little bend so it'll give it a little lift, see? And then I'll just go ahead and put it over there, and yeah, you got automatic lift. Okay, so this is the last section. Now I think here's where I have to decide if I'm going to put it to the side or if I'm going to do it down the middle, and I think I'm going to curl it down the middle. I'm just feeling a middle part today. Okay. All right, so let's start with this back piece right here and give it a little bump and then wrap it around. And we're in the home stretch, which makes me feel really good because honestly, I don't know about you, but I do not like doing my hair. I don't like doing it, but I do. I love to have nice looking hair, but I hate doing it. Is that weird? Does anybody feel like that? Please tell me. Tell me I'm not alone. So what you're gonna do after this is, after it's all curled, then we're gonna just we're gonna spray it one more time, and then we're gonna let it set for a little bit, and then we'll go in, we'll separate it and see if there's any pieces that either need to be recurled or need to be curled another way. Whatever you need to do, we'll retouch it up at that point. So, all right guys, home stretch. Okay, we're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes and then I'll be back and we'll see what this looks like. Okay, so I figure while this is setting, I would give you an update on the color wow that I was using, and I'll put a link to that video like up in the cards. So if you wanted to see what this was, you can refer to that video. But I just want to update you on the Color Wow Dream Coat and their flexible hairspray. So I've used it 2 times. So I used it the one time, and then it says to use every 3 washes. Well, I waited one more, so I did it on the 4th wash. It worked pretty well. Now, what I mean by that is, like, it worked pretty good, not perfect. It didn't give me hair like the girls in some of the videos, which maybe I can either put a picture or a clip of what I'm talking about. Their hair was super straight, sleek, silky. I do have dry and damaged hair, so I'm not sure if that's why my hair didn't come out exactly like that. You know, now that I've purchased this through their website, I do get lots of emails from them. They have shampoo, conditioner that they say works really well with this, styling products. So I feel like that they're saying in order for this to work, or for it to work better, you have to purchase all their products, the shampoo, the conditioner, the styling, which originally it just made it seem like this product plus this, which they give you the hairspray free, works by itself just fine. And I think it's a help, like it helps calm my hair down. I don't think it makes it super sleek, straight and shiny like the commercial. So that's my wow update. If you want to try it, it's $28. You know, it's not bad if you need help straightening out your hair and you don't want to go to the salon and pay, I don't know what it costs to get that the keratin straightener in your hair. But yeah, so this is definitely an option, but just keep in mind it's not going to be like the commercial. At least for me it wasn't. So anyways, I hope that helps. All right, I think it's been long enough. So now we're just going to take our fingers and just kind of pick very gently, even with your nails or just the tips of your fingers, we're gonna just kind of take the curls apart very gently and see what we get. Okay, so this looks pretty good. I like to do a little bit of back combing underneath because I like it to look full and voluminous. So I'm just gonna section it off here with my finger from back to front and use the small part of the comb and doing a little bit of back combing. And then I'm going to take my hairspray, which is Aquage. It's supposed to be a humidity hairspray, but I think a lot of hairsprays say that. So, and with this curls, they will stay a few days, which is nice. Then you have a few days without doing your hair. Isn't that awesome? Now you could also use dry shampoo, but this seems to work just fine for me. And so you just want to keep working these curls and just place your hair exactly the way you want it. If you have thicker hair like mine, you can continue to use this if you want to keep them piecey. I learned this trick from Harmonized Beauty, and she's actually the girl that inspired me to do my hair this way, and use even though she did this with a curling iron, but I used my curling wand because I don't have a 1-inch curling iron. So you see how different this looks compared to using the hairspray. It doesn't look completely different, but I feel like it's different. I feel like they're more relaxed versus this, they're fluffier, right? So I need some fluff. I'm in a fluffy, wild mood. Anyways, you guys, okay, so this is the hair tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. This hair, if you do it like this, it'll last you a few days. So you may just have to go in like the next day and just kind of fix it, or put some hairspray in it, or maybe curl a few pieces, but I guarantee you it's gonna stay, and you'll get ready faster in the morning. So, all right, you guys, so this was the hair tutorial. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see filmed. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Aloha!